Are your gums and teeth feeling neglected? Do you struggle with bad breath or want a healthier mouth? Introducing DentalPrime, the unique supplement designed specifically for you. It supports healthy gums and teeth, maintains your oral and gut biome, and promotes fresh breath. Inside every tablet, you'll find vitamin D3, vitamin K, calcium, xylitol, cranberry powder, and zinc. Each ingredient works together to give you optimal oral health. When you order 6 bottles, you receive free shipping. It's the recommended option, with 97% of our customers choosing it. Try our trial package of 2 bottles for just $69 each, or grab the best value with 6 bottles at $49 each. Enjoy a 365-day money-back guarantee. If you're not impressed, we'll refund you, no questions asked. Don't miss out. Click the link below in the description and pinned comment to claim your discounted DentalPrime while stocks last. Experience the difference today.